You sit in a high-stakes meeting. A colleague says, "Tell us about yourself." Without preparation, this open-ended request routinely causes an immediate cognitive freeze. We solve this by implementing a strict three-part architectural framework. By providing specific constraints, we completely eliminate the mental overload of deciding what to say in the moment. Step 1 is gathering the physical materials required to build this foundation. You need a pen, a blank piece of paper, and your smartphone. When you approach an introduction as a fixed algorithm, you stop improvising. Delivering a set equation guarantees structural control over your message, keeping your delivery steady even under intense pressure. This diagram shows our text-building interface, where we draft the first pillar, the anchor. Write "My name is," followed by your first and last name. Nervous speakers frequently rush, causing their names to bleed together into a single unintelligible sound. To prevent this, deliberately insert a micropause between your first and last name. This tiny gap ensures maximum auditory clarity. Continuing with our interface, the second pillar is the context. Write "I am from" and select a single professional base. Do not provide a chronological life history. Naming multiple cities or detailing a long career timeline destroys the listener's attention span. Pick one location. Finally, the third pillar is the credential. Write down "I completed," followed by your single most relevant degree, project, or certification. Resist the urge to treat this step as a verbal resume dump. You are forced to select just one major accomplishment. Restricting the script to these three isolated variables prevents rambling. This architectural focus ensures the introduction remains concise and follows a predictable professional structure. Now that the script is written, we apply a strict temporal constraint. You have a maximum execution window of exactly 15 seconds to deliver these 3 sentences. Stand up, hold your paper at chest level so you can easily read it, and prepare to deliver the lines sequentially. This split-screen graphic illustrates our ideal pacing metric. As the stopwatch runs, the sound waves show a delivery that is continuous but distinctly unhurried. When an introduction is brief but architecturally complete, it signals competence. The listener recognizes that you respect their time and know precisely who you are. Mastering the physical pacing of these 3 sentences ensures the delivery remains controlled and authoritative. Step 3 is capturing the output. Set up your smartphone for a front-facing video recording. Build a makeshift stand using a stack of books to elevate the device. Your goal is to secure a stable shot with the camera positioned directly at eye level. This diagram highlights a critical eyeline error. Many people watch the moving image of themselves on the digital screen. You must stare exclusively at the actual camera hardware, the tiny lens at the top. By piercing that camera lens with your focus, you create simulated direct eye contact with anyone who eventually watches the playback. Press record, look at the lens, and deliver your 3-part framework. By recording yourself, you transform a fleeting spoken thought into a concrete artifact. Once recorded, your memory cannot retroactively alter how you actually performed. Immediately playback your newly created video file. Watch your physical posture and listen to your vocal delivery objectively, without applying any personal judgment. Do not treat this as a polished final product. This file is the baseline artifact, a fixed point of personal measurement from day 1. In future modules, we will use this exact file to measure your delta. We will track the specific, visible improvements you make in your body language and your vocal variety over time. Securely save this video file to your device, then log into the course discussion to officially confirm you have completed your Day 1 assignment. Effective oral presentation improves through documentation and analysis. This structured baseline provides the data needed to build every subsequent skill in this course.